NBC29 forecast.
There's the view on a Monday evening from the Charlottesville camera. Yes, it's been a hot and sticky day across the region, and it's just the beginning of what overall is going to be a continued building heat wave at least through the midweek. Let's check in on the numbers. The sun will set this evening at 8:40, 91 currently at the airport, made it up to 94 this afternoon. We have dew points, which measure moisture content in the atmosphere, pretty ripe, well in the 60s, so it feels more like it's in the mid to upper 90s at this hour. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, you find a temperature of 89 degrees. There have been a few isolated storms well west of I-81 today. Winds out of the south-southeast at 9, and some other numbers at this hour include 91 in Culpeper. We've got 88 there in Palmyra, still 92 in Dillon. We've got 87 in Waynesboro and 88 currently in Harrisonburg. As we take a look at regional numbers, you'll see lots of numbers still in the upper 80s and low 90s. Again, as we take a look at the satellite and radar combination, most of the storms firing along the higher ridge tops well to our west, especially out across the Potomac and Allegheny Highlands. The winds aloft, and well, more so at the surface, are out of the southeast. So again, differential heating along the ridge tops creating some of these storms to go up, but they're not moving very fast, and they're moving generally off to the north and west. So we're pretty quiet tonight, and it'll be much the same for tomorrow. So temperatures overnight, pretty steamy, sticky, either side of 70 degrees. So a warm overnight, and that means even hotter temperatures tomorrow. Most of us will top out in the mid-90s across central Virginia, lower 90s in the Shenandoah Valley. So when we move into the afternoon, we're talking about heat indices really from the mid-90s to low 100s across the region. So take all those precautions to stay cool. We'll continue with at least mid-90s through Wednesday. Most of us will still get into the low 90s here on Thursday, but by Thursday and Friday, we should start to see an uptick in more scattered showers and storms across the region. So pretty quiet here tonight. We're going to look a little farther south. You see this counterclockwise circulation, a little tiny circulation center. This is Tropical Storm Danny. It's actually coming ashore right now near Savannah, Georgia, and you can see it backing in here, and some very heavy rain here. Worst of it's right over Savannah right now. There's some outer rain bands in association with this, but the storm track with this is going to go off to the north and west, and again, it'll weaken out as a depression, just a remnant low as it moves up into the northwestern portion of Georgia. So again, there's a wider perspective of what we expect here for tomorrow morning. We'll start either side of 70 degrees, certainly humid conditions, hot and humid during the afternoon with low and mid 90s, pretty sparse with any thunderstorm chance mainly to our west. Another sticky start early Wednesday morning with temperatures either side of 70, and then Wednesday afternoon a few more storms could develop a little closer, but we're still in the low and mid 90s with those heat indices a little higher. Front coming in or closer to us by the late week will give more lift in the atmosphere, and that'll create more showers and thunderstorms as we move at least through the start of the Independence holiday weekend, but temperatures will back down big time by the end of the week. Temperatures here tonight, upper 60s, lower 70s under mostly clear skies. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Building heat wave continues at least through the midweek. More showers and thunderstorms here as we get into Thursday and Friday, and right now possibly into the start of the Independence holiday weekend. We'll monitor the progress of that front over the next several days, but it won't be as hot as we head into this upcoming weekend. But really our hottest stretch so far of early summer.
Hello, summer. All right, Eric, thank you.